Hey, how are you?
I'm Amy.
I'm Mina. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm sewing a giant ball that I like to roll on the sidewalk on the street.
That sounds fascinating.
Yeah, it will take me a long time to complete it, but it's gonna be fun, yeah. Rolling a ball.
Strictly for fun?
It's for moving. I'm looking for things to move. That's my business now, moving. And I'm looking for special things I could move. And if I can't find them, I have to make them. That's why I have to make the ball now.
And the ball moves from where to where for a purpose or just for fun?
It moves because just that's my job now, moving. And for the last year, what I've done is all about moving. And then I realized that it's very significant part of living, about taking things from one place to another, like taking food from the shop, put it inside yourself, move it around a little bit, then unload it somewhere.
So,
for example,
movement is life and life is movement.
yeah, it's movement, but then I'm starting with some more like simple exercises in movement. Hope it will get me somewhere better with the moving business.
Without movement, there is no life.
Yeah, even trees move, I've noticed. They move a lot. Like, I remember once I had a view out of a room where I was sleeping, and there was a dead tree, dry tree, and a living tree, and the living one was moving a lot, and the dead was like staying stiff. You know, the trees also move a lot.
Well, trees move and the wind moves them. They
Yeah.
move on their own, but so slowly that we can't really see it. But they're still moving.
Yeah, but when a tree is not living, it's even wind cannot move it so much.
Right.
You know. Yeah.